Greetings, Carlos here. So there's some people that believe that animals or their pets go to heaven when they die, that their pets are in paradise or in heaven, no longer suffering. So do only pets go to heaven, like your pet dog, your pet cat, your pet bird, your pet fish? Or do all animals go to heaven? So if you're a Christian that believes that all animals go to heaven, or only your pets go to heaven, I don't know. So if all animals go to heaven, so the cows that are killed, and those hamburgers and steaks that you're eating are from a cow that went to heaven. And those pork chops and pork sausages that you're eating are from a pig that went to heaven. Doesn't the Bible say that pigs are unclean? So why would they be in heaven? How about fish and shrimp, worms, fleas, ticks, cockroaches? So all these animals and insects, when they die or when they're killed, they go to heaven. Interesting. Believe less and think more. Yah bless.